Hi, everybody, and welcome to my presentation on New Directions and Triggers program at CBH Care. Their mission statement is to provide optimum behavioral health care that is aligned with consumer and community needs, and comprehensive behavioral health care will treat individuals, families, and the community with respect and dignity, regardless of race, gender, sexual orientation, disability, illness, or age, and they are committed to accessible healthcare services that are delivered in a cost-effective manner. They work with you when it comes to pricing, and they will provide this care with creative and responsive treatment strategies for people who are competent in what they're doing. New Directions is a therapeutic after-school program for adolescents who need intensive structured therapy to address serious emotional and behavioral issues. This program provides community-based therapeutic services that may eliminate the need for more restrictive out-of-home interventions and placements and is relatively inexpensive. Checkers or comprehensive therapeutic services for developmentally disabled adolescents with psychiatric needs is for developmentally disabled lower functioning adolescents and is a one-of-a-kind program for adolescents with complex needs. Written paper issues about that. New Directions runs Monday through Thursday from 4 p.m. to 15 p.m. with family therapy sessions, intakes, evaluations, and psychiatric appointments that may be scheduled outside of regular program hours. Transportation is on a case-by-case basis, limited and subject to availability. There's monthly weekend recreational dinner outings, immediate responsible referrals, psychiatric evaluation, ongoing assessment, medication monitoring, individual, family, and group therapy, parent education programs and workshop groups, grief and loss, trauma and anger management groups, a point level system to chart treatment progress. All adolescents start off at level 1, which is lowest and aspire to level 4. Work to level 4, which allows you to most privileges and most input into your treatment plan. And you must be on level 2 to go on a monthly weekend recreational and or dinner outing. And I'm expected to take over a therapy session with the adolescents because that is how we apply our services primarily. And this will be tailored around positive coping mechanism skills for anxiety and or depression, like a yoga, nature hike, or meditation group. Checkers has therapeutic activities designed to enhance communication and social skills and independent living, self-esteem, and anger management groups. Like I said, we apply our services to consumers that we work with through group therapy sessions. So we will be working Quadrant A or working with clients on their own behalf located on page 8 of Wood and Tooley's 2006 frame of reference model. But when obtaining referrals, we are working in Quadrant C, or we work with others, for example, non-clients for the behalf of the clients. We work with psychiatric hospitals, DCP&P, schools, parole officers, courts, concerned caregivers, CMOs, or care management organizations, primarily based in Bergen Passaic County, and through another program ran through CBH Care called CAR, or Kearney Adolescent Residential Experience. They are at risk of being displaced from their home. I see an issue with maintaining, enforcing, and impact with consumers that I work with if the caregivers are not enforcing and applying what they, as adolescents, are being taught at program. Many of the consumers desire to attend the New Directions program twice a week, so I have to be critically analytical and chronological when observing the actual progress being made through thorough written documentation. And there's many faces coming in Monday through Thursday, different faces, and consumers typically attend the program for 6 months to a year for successful completion. So it's going to be difficult putting a name to a face. Very difficult. There does seem to be a lack of diversity of staff at the New Directions and Triggers program. A lot of the interns look like me, a lot of staff looks like me, so yeah. Some of the consumers attending the New Directions program are there voluntarily or court mandated, so it will be difficult making a lasting impression with those consumers. Here's how you would make a referral for these two programs. Contact CBH Care by their website, cbhcare.com, or call them at 201-646-0333. All my references are from the CompCare website and Wood and Tooley. And thank you very much.